I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Your iPhone must run iOS 13 or newer, and the Citroen head unit must list Apple CarPlay. Once done, use an Apple-certified Lightning cable and plug it to the vehicle USB port labeled for data. A charging-only port won't work. Make sure Siri is enabled in settings. CarPlay relies on it. Now unlock your phone and keep it awake while you connect, because the car and phone exchange permissions immediately. Once you plug in, your iPhone will show a CarPlay prompt. Tap Allow so the car can access navigation and audio. If you prefer wireless CarPlay, pair your phone over Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi handoff. Wireless needs both links. Make sure the Citroen infotainment input is set to CarPlay or iPhone. Some models require selecting Apple CarPlay from the smartphone menu. These steps permit contacts, messages, and music to appear on the car screen. You finish by testing maps, phone, and music to confirm CarPlay responds. Use Siri for hands-free commands so you stay safe. Once connected, pin favorite apps and recent destinations to speed future trips. If CarPlay doesn't appear, try a different certified cable and reboot your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. As a single, effective troubleshooting tip, restart the Citroen infotainment system because many persistent connection glitches clear after a system reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.